हे गाइस, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे आप सब। एंड आज मैं आई हूँ मेडिकल कॉलेज कायद आज़म वाले। एंड यहाँ पे एक फंक्शन था 14 अगस्त का। एंड यहाँ पे ऐसी
सलामत रहे ऐ निगारे वतन तू सलामत रहे। मांगते सितारों से भर देंगे हम तू सलामत रहे। ओ सकी तेरे रुख पे न कुर्बान गए और किस काम आएगी ये जिंदगी। अपने खून से बढ़ाते रहेंगे सदा तेरे गुलरंग चेहरे की ताबिंदगी। जब तुझे रोशनी की जरूरत पड़ी, जब तुझे रोशनी की जरूरत पड़ी, अपने महफिल के शम्सो कमर देंगे हम तू सलामत रहे तू सलामत रहे ऐ निगारे वतन तू सलामत रहे। सब्ज परचम तेरा चांद तारे तेरे, तेरी बज़ में निगारी के उन्वान तेरे चमन तेरी होठों की
चांद हमेशा रहता है। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावां गुल बन के मैं खिल जावां। इतनी सी है दिल की
हटा दें। बहुत दिक्कत है ये लड़की है, मुंह तोड़ दूंगी।
की बात कर। एहतशाम काबिल सदर साथ कराम अरबाबिल मुदानिश और नए वतन के चमकते सितारों, आज के इस बदले सुकून में सोहनी धरती की फिजाओं से, सहरा की हवाओं से, बिहार के सब्ज़ार से, रगों में दौड़ते खून से, मुंह से बोलती दवा से और दिल से एक दुआ के साथ। जी हाँ,
अच्छा ठीक है, अभी से बताने खुद बना लो आगे। इतना सब्जी हो रही है, आप दिखेंगे तो दे रही
जो चांद और सूरज से ज्यादा हसीन है, जिसके खेतों की मिट्टी में लाले यमन है, जिसके शहरों पे कुरान का साया है, जिसके सरहदों पे ईमान का पहरा है, उसके फौजी जवान जुर्रतों के निशान है। और जहाँ फलक बोस पहाड़ भी हैं, गुलपोश वादियाँ भी, मनाजिर भी हैं, हसीन मज़ाहिर भी, लतीफ़ तरीन खुराक भी है।
Education and political acumen were crucial in the struggle for independence, ultimately leading to the creation of Pakistan in 1947. The martyrs of the Pakistan Army, who have been awarded the Nishan-e-Haider, the highest military honor, exemplify unparalleled bravery and sacrifice. These heroes, such as laid down their lives in the defense of the nation, displaying courage beyond the call of duty. The Nishan-e-Haider recipients are remembered not just for their sacrifices, but for embodying the spirit of selflessness and commitment to Pakistan. Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, often hailed as the father of Pakistan's nuclear program, played a crucial role in making the country a nuclear power. His work in developing Pakistan's nuclear capabilities provided a strong deterrent, ensuring national security and regional stability. Mufti Taqi Usmani is a renowned Islamic scholar and jurist, widely respected for his profound knowledge of Islamic jurisprudence and finance. As a leading authority on Sharia law, he has authored numerous works and provided guidance on contemporary issues. His efforts have greatly contributed to the global understanding and application of Islamic principles in modern context. Abdul Sattar Eidi was a humanitarian icon and the founder of the Eidi Foundation, Pakistan's largest and most respected welfare organization. His selfless dedication to serving humanity, regardless of race, religion, or nationality, made him a symbol of compassion and humility. Irfan Karim was a prodigious talent and became the world's youngest Microsoft certified professional at the age of 9. Her remarkable achievements in the field of technology earned her national and international acclaim, making her a symbol of youth potential and brilliance in Pakistan. Pakistan has a rich history of achievements in sports, excelling in cricket, hockey, squash, and snooker. The national cricket team has won numerous international titles, including the ICC World Cup in 1992 and the ICC Champions Trophy in 2017. Pakistan's hockey team has been a dominant force, securing 3 Olympic gold medals and multiple World Cup titles. In squash, legends like Jahangir Khan has brought global acclaim with their record-breaking wins, while snooker champions like Mohammad Asif have also made their mark with world titles. Dr. Abdus Salam was a pioneering physicist and Pakistan's first Nobel laureate in science, recognized for his groundbreaking work in theoretical physics, particularly in electroweak theory. Lieutenant General Nigar Johar Khan is a retired 3-star general in the Pakistan Army. Nigar is the first and only woman in the history of Pakistan Army to reach the rank of Lieutenant General and the third to reach the rank of Major General. Dr. Osama Riaz was a dedicated and compassionate physician from Pakistan, known for his selfless service during the COVID-19 pandemic. He worked tirelessly in the remote Kyrgyzstan region, providing medical care to patients in need, often putting his own life at risk. Tragically, Dr. Riaz contracted the virus himself while treating infected patients and passed away in March 2020. His sacrifice is remembered as a symbol of bravery and commitment to humanity, inspiring many across the nation. Intizaz Hassan Mangush was a brave teenage student from Kabul, Pakistan, who sacrificed his life to prevent a suicide bomber from attacking his school in January 2014. At just 15 years old, Intizaz noticed the bomber approaching and, without hesitation, confronted and tackled him, preventing a devastating explosion that could have killed hundreds of students. Arshad Nadeem is a Pakistani javelin thrower known for his remarkable achievements in the field of athletics. He gained international recognition after becoming the first South Asian to qualify for the final of javelin throw at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics, where he finished fifth. Arshad has set multiple national records and has been a symbol of pride for Pakistan in the international sports. He recently won a gold medal for Pakistan at the 2024 Paris Olympics. His dedication and success have inspired many young athletes in the country to pursue careers in athletics. Above all, the unnoticed sacrifices and efforts of these players must never be forgotten. We vow to protect our homeland with unwavering courage and stand united against any challenge that comes our way. We commit ourselves to the pursuit of knowledge, innovation, and progress, dedicating our talents and energies to the service of Pakistan. With the spirit of those who came before us, we will rise above all obstacles and ensure that the sacrifices of our heroes were not in vain. Pakistan Zindabad.